At 80, life doesn't feel the same as it did at 40 or 50. The body moves slower, energy fades faster, and everyday movements can feel heavier than before. But here's a truth most people never hear from doctors. There is one small ability that reveals more about your health, independence, and even your life expectancy than almost any medical test. And sadly, many seniors lose it quietly, without any warning. What is this ability? The ability to sit down on the floor and stand back up without holding on to anything. It sounds simple. It sounds almost childish. But don't be fooled. This movement is considered by many health experts to be a silent predictor of longevity. Why? Because it requires strength, flexibility, balance, coordination, and muscle control all working together. And at 80 years old, if you can still do it, your body is telling you something powerful. Your muscles are still strong, your joints still have mobility, your balance is protecting you from falls, and your nervous system is still well coordinated. These are the 4 pillars that decide whether a person can remain independent or not. Here's the part most families don't realize. Falls are the #1 reason seniors lose their independence. One fall can change an entire life, leading to hospital visits, fear of moving, or even long-term bed rest. But the ability to get down and stand back up with control is like a built-in shield. It shows your body still has the resilience to stay safe, active, and free. Now, what if you can't do it right now? Don't worry. Don't feel embarrassed. Most people in their 70s and 80s struggle with this. The good news? Your body can improve at any age, even at 90. Start with simple exercises. Chair sit to stands to rebuild leg strength. Gentle stretching to loosen stiff joints. Wall push-ups for upper body support. Balance practice, like standing on one leg for a few seconds. Hip opening stretches to increase mobility. Slow walking to improve coordination. Do these consistently, and you will feel the difference, not just in your legs, but in your confidence. Because this isn't about looking young again. It's not about muscles or fitness. It's about freedom. The freedom to get out of bed without help, the freedom to pick something up from the floor, the freedom to live without fear of falling, the freedom to move through life with dignity. So ask yourself honestly today, can you sit on the floor and stand up without support? If yes, celebrate it. You've kept a powerful gift that many people lose. If no, don't give up. Start small. Improve step by step. Because at 80, the goal is not youth. The goal is independence, strength, safety, and control over your own life. And sometimes, one simple movement tells the whole story.